Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a paper boat like this. So let's start without wasting any time. So our first step is to fold the paper in half. Take care that you have perfectly folded it in half. Okay, I have folded it in half. So next we will fold it like this, like a triangle like shape, because it is the shape of a boat. Okay, so this is our boat shape. Next we will fold it the rest of the part like this. Fold it on the upper part. Fold both sides of the paper. We will get a shape like this, triangle like shape. This also looks like a boat. So next step is a type of pretty hard. So next fold it. So we have this paper. See, you can see my finger. Fold it like this. Fold it in half, but take care that you will not tear the paper. Okay, our shape is ready. This is a kind of square like shape, but now it's diamond shape. So next we will fold it again. Fold it again. Okay. We will get again a triangle shape. We will get a triangle shape like this. And now again we will do like the first step we did. If you want a type of little big board, you can do like this, and I'll show in the last step. But I want a pretty small board, so I will fold it again. We have to follow this step again and again if we want a little ship, small, tiny, cute ship. So this is my last step. We get this type of shape. Again we will do like this, and to get the boat like this, we will see on the top of the upper part, just do like this. Fold it to get better shape. You can see our boat has come very cute and tiny. Our both boats are ready and they are looking so good. And thanks for watching, guys. I love making videos for you guys, and I love doing YouTube videos. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Always smile.